Okay, so I got my cousin here. So we're going to go view another apartment. Elisa's not here this time, but this one is in the South Loop, kind of really close to the downtown area. Yeah, so we're gonna give you our opinion and everything once we leave. We're gonna go see it, and yeah, thanks for coming along. See you guys soon. So this is like considered the bedroom.
Bedroom, so you have a pocket door that separates your living room from the bedroom, which is kind of cool, right?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like that a lot.
Closet.
So this is.
How does this space feel for you?
I like it, but I think it's kind of small.
It is.
Yeah.
I mean, you're right. It's one of our smallest apartments. It's also my least expensive. So.
Yeah, I know. I think it's kind of small. Yeah. Yeah, you were right.
A lot of furniture you're trying to bring with you?
Not a lot, but they're bigger pieces because the place we live in now is pretty large.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure of the square footage, but it's pretty large.
So putting maybe things into perspective for this apartment is renting for $14.91 per month.
Okay.
So just under $1,500.
Okay.
If you were to be able to sign a 15-month lease or longer, we would be able to do 3 months free.
Okay.
And then if you applied, submitted your application to reserve this apartment within the 48 hours, you get that $1,000 rent credit. If we kind of consider all of those things, you get a net effective price that would average to $1,126 on a 15-month lease.
Okay.
So coming in under budget.
Yeah.
But it is small.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Which isn't bad.
All right.
Yeah. Sorry, can I check out the?
But I have another option.
Okay. Yeah. I really like it though.
And also, it looks like you might need parking then as well.
Yes.
So our parking garage is on our second and third floor. All of our spaces are reserved spaces. So once you drive into your spot, you just take the elevator right up to your apartment. Makes it really nice. We only have a total of like 80 spaces in the garage. Parking is $330 per month.
Okay. And then I was saying, I was thinking about getting a pet. So the pet fee is.
So if it's a dog, it's $400. If it's a cat, it's $300.
Okay.
You have a maximum of 2 pets per apartment.
Okay.
No additional pet rent. And then, there for dogs, no size restrictions, but there is the breed restrictions, which are those aggressive breeds.
Okay.
All right. Are we done with this one?
Yeah, we are.
All right. Let's go upstairs and look at.
Wait, so could a TV be mounted on the wall?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's your washer and dryer, by the way.
I thought it was a full big.
Yeah, they are huge. They're really big.
All right, see you. All right, 1513. This one's going to be a little larger.
Ooh,
And it has a western view, which gives you a nice sunset and lots of natural light in the evening.
I just really love this. Yeah.
So this one gives you the bigger living space.
Oh yeah, this is a lot bigger. I like it. I like this a lot better too.
Is your closet bigger?
Yeah, relatively the same. Yeah. This view is really nice. Yeah, this is a way better view.
So what about this one?
I like this one a lot better. I like the view too, the view.
This one has great view. You also get some skyline, but you can't see it right now since it's being clouded over, but you do get the western edge of the city, which gives you Sears Tower right there. It also gives you fun things. You watch the trains go by, fun. So this one, apartment 1513, is renting for 1536, so just a little bit more than that other one. It's a little bit larger and a higher floor. Again, you get 3 months free if you did the 15-month lease, and if you submitted your application in that 48-hour window, this one would net out to only 1162.
Okay, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, so still coming in under your $1,200 budget.
Yeah.
So the way that the concession does work is it is an upfront concession. So your monthly rent and the lease that you sign will be for $1,536 per month, right? But 3 months out of your 15-month, you're going to have free rent, which means we're not going to charge you rent in 3 times during that. It's going to be your 2nd month, your 4th month, and your 6th month. So if you needed to be in the 1162 per budget to be at that $1,200 for budgetary purposes, then what you're going to need to do is make rent payments during your 3 months.
Okay.
Right? So, that 2nd month where it's free, it's just like, okay, you don't have to make a rent payment during those times.
Yeah.
But then you have to put that money set aside and know that you're going to pull from it because the next month you owe 1536.
Okay.
You know
I get
what
it.
mean?
Yep. Makes sense.
And then as far as utilities are all separate. So
Okay.
you pay for your own electric, for your lights and appliances. Cable and internet is optional, but I don't know if you can live without it.
Yeah, right.
You have your choice of providers because they've all pre-wired the apartments, and then you will get a monthly bill for heat, hot water, trash, and sewer from the building. So your portion, and that's $60 to $90 per month.
Okay.
That'll get charged every month on the 1st.
Okay.
Questions? So you do have blackout blinds in your bedroom. So those are room darkening. And then you have solar shades for light filtering and privacy in your living space. So a little bit different, you notice the difference.
Yeah.
And then you still have your pocket door, you have your adjustable thermostat, you have a walk-in closet in there. You also have a nice closet here in the entryway. So you do get, a good amount of storage. This is really big closet.
Yeah, because there wasn't storage in the last one. Yeah, right.
And then you also have room here. You could even put a desk if you wanted to, or a table to throw your stuff
or even
down.
like a coat rack. Or,
Yep.
Yeah. I like this a lot.
Perfect.
I really love this. Okay. Sorry, let me check out this bathroom.
Yep.
It's like the same shower.
You said you have looked at a few places.
Yeah.
How does this compare to what you've looked at?
Yeah.
Are we ready to look at the amenities? Because that also factors into a lot of, all the things you get with your rent. So let me just turn off all the lights. Amenities are on our 4th floor.
Okay. I love it a lot. I love the gym so much.
It's nice because it's all brand new.
Yeah. And I just love the gym.
Do you do any work from home or no?
Yes, I do.
So this is all free Wi-Fi on this floor too. So you can.
The Christmas tree is so beautiful.
Here, there's a conference room that's available. You have all of this furniture with places to plug in, plugs and USB plugs. We also have these work rooms that are here. So you have these additional work from home kind of rooms. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is nice. Takes away from having to stay home or staying in place.
Yeah. So it gets you out of your apartment. You wanted to curl up by the fireplace, you can still plug into the furniture there. You have the outdoor space, so there's cabanas and fire pits. You have a TV lounge here. You have places to grill out. There's 3 gas grills and an outdoor sink there. This is a party room. So this is our club room, so an additional lounge. This is a rentable lounge. So once we're able to do it, I'm going to turn this light on around the corner. Once we're able to start having parties and things,
Oh my God.
this space would be able to
Rent
be rented out. Otherwise, it's just available for everyone to share. And then you have an additional grill out here that's attached to there. And then you have...
Is it rented out for tenants only or people of the
Yeah.
public? Okay.
No, just for tenants, yeah.
Okay.
And then, so, then you have your pool table, you have skee ball, shuffleboard, pinball. There's a sports simulator here that simulates 16 kind of different sports. I would open this and I never looked at someone playing, and then it's like...
Oh, nice. I don't even know what... Cool.
Yeah, so
I've
you have
never...
everything. You practice golf, even like basketball free throws, dodgeball. And then this was our outdoor gaming area where we have like bags set up and all the
Yeah, the amenities make it so much worth it.
So like I said, parking is available in our garage. It's $330 per month.
Okay.
So the garage also is for residents only, so it's not open to the general public. And parking isn't something that you need to set up right away. I'm walking this way because I'm going to point something out.
Okay.
So the parking lease is going to be on a separate lease, and it's offered on a month-to-month basis. So not something you have to set up on day one, and not something that you have to continue through the whole lease term either. However, this building with the red things on top, that's also an apartment building. You can check it out if you want. But whatever. They have a garage that is open to the general public. It's managed by like a standard parking.
Okay.
They have spaces that are there for like 200. That building right there, the older one, tall one, they have spaces, the last time I checked, like at 150.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you have options to kind of,
Okay.
you know, get some other parking spots.
Where's the parking garage here? Is it below? It's at the bottom? Okay.
Yeah, it's right below us. It's on the second and third floor. So basically, once you pull in, so this is Wabash. This is where you came in. So the garage entrance is just north of the front entrance of the door, right there. So you drive in, you park in your spot, and then you just take the elevator right to your apartment. So we don't rent to non-residents because once you drive in, you're actually in the building.
Okay. That makes sense.
And if you rent that room out, game room would be attached to it.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Any questions about the amenity space?
No, but I'm totally sold on the gym.
Nice, it's nice.
You tell me I don't have to drive to the gym. Like
I forgot this one too.
what?
There's another little workout studio. So there's an extra workout room here. So this one's already set up, but if with like some personal training apps.
Oh, no.
But if you do your own, you can just mirror them up
love
to the
it.
TV. And then,
Yeah, me too.
yeah.
Yeah. The gym is my life.
And then that was the outdoor dog park.
Okay. This is the dog park.
There's also free Wi-Fi on this floor. Package receiving room is here, so accessing your packages to 24 hours a day, pretty easy. It's managed by the Luxor system, so once the package is logged, you get a notification that gives you a code that you'd be able to put in, and then it opens this door. And then the door staff could also do it. They have a door on their end. This is your access to the freight elevator and loading dock for moving in and out.
Okay.
I don't know what
It's been a long Monday.
A very high curve right there.
No, it's been a long Monday. It definitely has.
15-month lease. And then, so the application process is just $50.
Okay.
So we just left touring this apartment. Okay, what do you think? You first.
I thought it was really nice. Like the views were amazing. I loved how big the bathrooms were. I love the walk-in closet. The actual space itself though was small, very small, and it didn't look like you could move your bed around. You know I like to move my bed around. It didn't look like you had too many options for that.
Yeah, no. Okay. I thought it was small. I thought it was just small. That was it. I was like, this is really tiny. Like, even like the living room, I was like, what type of couch would I be able to fit here? Like, really, I feel like
the washer and dryer was too
It was
big.
huge.
Like,
It was huge.
I felt you didn't need that big of a washer and dryer. And literally the video that Ashley sent me was so totally different from what the video looked like.
But I didn't even think you could fit a couch and a table in that little space.
No.
You got to choose one or the other. And I
Exactly.
would have chose the table. I don't know what the people I just don't know.
The amenities was everything to me, and that's
Agreed.
probably why
Everything.
not probably, but that is why the rent is so much. But overall, I give it like a 8. Like, it was really nice but really small. I like my space. Like, even if I am by myself, I like my space. And I don't know, I feel like they put too much emphasis on the amenities. Like,
I agree.
Like, one, it's COVID. We're not gonna be able to have all those people. I could see if it wasn't COVID, then I would be like, yeah, I would move there. I don't know. I don't think I'm going.
I might give it even a 7 because of how small the living space is.
Yeah.
Everything else is beautiful, but like that living space, like just thinking about Taylor didn't even have a 1-bedroom, but like her living room space was a lot bigger
Really?
than
Than
that.
that?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
We should go look at those. We should go look at
Yeah.
those.
We should go look.
8 out of 10. 7
7 out of
7/8.
10. Yeah, so that was our first luxury tour, and I got my cousin with me this time. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would live there now. I feel like he could kind of tell, because I was trying to lie.
The price. It's the price.
It's the price, and then
He said 15. I said
parking
this?
somewhere $400
for your dog though. We didn't even talk about that. The dog fee, monthly fee was $400 for dogs and $300 for cats.
That's crazy, because most is like $250. Girl, the parking was what got me, because I have a car. Like, so you telling me I gotta pay $200 for my car note, $200 for my insurance, $400 for parking, $1,500 for
Don't forget about gas.
Don't forget about gas. Don't forget about my
Insurance.
dog, the pet, the vet,
You, life.
me.
All of that.
Like, yeah, no, it was cute, but no.
It's a no for me, dog.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna end this, and we're gonna go and find something in our budget.
My arm hurt.
Okay, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.